So now let's see how we can utilize Airbrush inside of GIMP. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can click and hold the brush right here and then choose Airbrush, as you can see right here. So once you go around onto Airbrush, you can simply go around and draw as you like right here, just like this. And as you draw, you can see that the brush is quite soft. But if I were to go around and click and hold, then you can see that it becomes darker right here. And as I move, it seems as if I'm spraying something to the air. Click and hold and it becomes darker on that particular area, as you can see. I can also go around and hold Shift on my keyboard and I can draw out a straight line, as you can see right here. Click and hold to make it dark, just like this. If I were to go around onto the left hand side, you can change around the size of the airbrush right here. You can change around the aspect ratio of the airbrush as well as you like. And you can change around the angle of the airbrush over here as well. Apart from that, you can go around, change around the spacing of the airbrush over here as well and make it more dense. You can go around, change around the hardness by changing it around, and the airbrush is much more softer, as you can see. And you can change around the force of the airbrush as well. You can also go around and apply dynamics of the airbrush according to how you like right here. And this is what you have. So if I were to go for basic, this is what you have right here. You can go for a smoother wave right here, and so far you can change around the gradient as well to have the gradient dynamics. But if I were to add in jitter, you can see that there's a bit of jitter in the airbrush as well, and you can add in smooth stroke and lock brush to view right here, just like this, and just go around onto motion as well. You can change around the rate right here, just like this, and change around the flow to make it much more darker as well. Or you can decrease around the flow, and the flow is much more, so that you can see. So this is less amount of flow, and this is more amount of flow, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then utilize Airbrush inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.